Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change username on Instagram without using any software. All other applications have a limitation, but Instagram not. Also, a lot of Instagram users don't know how to change the Instagram profile name. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, tap and hold the App Store. Now tap updates, and we have to check the list is there is any update available for Instagram. If there is, then we have to update the Instagram app first. Then force close all the apps that are running in the background and launch Instagram. We have to tap on the profile icon. Now tap edit profile. Tap on your username. Use the backspace or tap on this cross to delete the username. Now put the new username and tap done. After that, if you're still facing the same issue, the username is not going to change, then force close all the apps that are running in the background and wait for a couple of minutes, then relaunch Instagram and your problem will be solved. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.